G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. This episode we are actually coming from State College, Pennsylvania, where you see behind me the Bloke Creamery. We are here for the 2018 ice cream short course. We're going to give you a look as to what happens at the short course, whether you should come or whether you should not, and talk all things ice cream in this episode of the Scoop School podcast. The ice cream short course goes for about a week and is held every January and is based here at the Nittany Lion Inn, situated right in the heart of State College. It's really a great idea to try and stay here because all of your operations are based out of this hotel. The short course is tended by about 140 to 160 participants every year, and you do need to get in early. Places fill up very, very quickly. Now, this course isn't for the faint of heart. It's a very technical course based on food science principles and is primarily designed for those employees and workers in commercial mix and ice cream production facilities. Now, that's not to say that if you're an ice cream entrepreneur or want to open up your own ice cream business, that this course isn't for you. There is such a plethora of great information here. Some of it will be very applicable to retail and wholesale ice cream operations. A lot of it is good background and solid foundational ice cream information. And although there's not a lot of how to open up an ice cream business, there is great information here to help you get a good foundation of the industry and some of the technical nature of ice cream products. That being the case, I am very grateful for the opportunity to spend some time with class members talking about the entrepreneurial process of starting and growing their own retail or wholesale ice cream business. Now, the first 3 days are very, very intense in classwork, but halfway during the course comes the time that everyone looks forward to, jumping on the big blue buses and heading down to the food science building where you do your labs. This is the building that also houses the famous Bloke Creamery. So there's a number of labs and exercises that classmates do in order to put some practical hands-on experience into their ice cream education. Now, the food science building and the Bloke Creamery is about a 15-minute walk. It's pretty brisk this time of year. Best to take the bus. And this building is really fascinating. It holds a full production facility so far as ice cream mix and ice cream is concerned, but it also is the hub of all activity for ice cream lovers on campus. Thankfully, during the time of the short course, the creamery isn't chock-a-block like it is in the summertime, but still rules apply. You can only order one flavor of ice cream, regardless of how many scoops you want on a cup or a cone. It really is quite amazing to see the variety, the depth and the breadth of the products that are made actually right there in-house. Everything from cheese processing, yogurt processing, and of course a bank and freezers full of every ice cream flavor that you'd possibly ever want. But I digress. Let's get back to the action. Now, there are a number of labs here that really teach participants a lot of different principles about the ice cream business. In this sensory lab, ice cream products are actually manufactured with defects in them so that you can get an understanding of what ice cream defects look like, taste like, and have the mouthfeel of. In the Vanilla Lab, you're learning more about the origin, the taste, and the nuances of different types of vanilla extracts and how they can boost and lift the dairy notes and other flavors in your ice cream products. Now, the Food Science Building also hosts one of the country's best pilot plants. Here, you're learning the process of how batch frozen products are made, from the old-time processes of the rock salt machines all the way up to today's most modern technology when it comes to ice cream making, popsicle making, and novelty products. In the Commercial Products Lab, we're learning more about the processes of what commercial ice cream products on the market currently look like, taste like, and what make them different. But hey, enough about ice cream already. Let's talk to some of this year's participants to get an idea of how they enjoyed the ice cream short course at Penn State University.
My name is Luis Tomás. I'm from Barcelona, Spain. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur in the ice cream business. Hopefully one day I'll have my own ice cream shop. I've been here in Penn State for the last 2-3 days attending the short ice cream course. We're right now in at the dairy in one of their plants. And anyway, had a great time. I strongly recommend it to anyone that wants to learn more of the ice cream business or get into ice cream business. Great experience.
Hi, I'm Rob. I'm from England. This is the first step into the ice cream world for me. It's been an awesome course so far, really intense, really scientific and very good speakers, and lots of ice cream.
Hello, my name is Jeff Ward. I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. I was formerly a process chemist. I've gone to the 101 course last year. I'm now in the 7-day course. This course is much more in depth. You get a much better understanding of the freezing processes and the chemistry behind the ice cream. And then the laboratories are more extensive. So we're going to actually go in and we're doing some of the same laboratories, but we're going to actually do taste testing of vanilla and things like that, which was not in the 101 course.
My name is Steve Willis. I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota. Had a great time learning about ice cream and kind of developing my own shop with Steve. It's a great time. It was a pleasure to be a part of it. And good on you, man.
My name is Eric Burley. I'm from Philadelphia at the Franklin Fountain. I absolutely love the course here at Penn State. I recommend it for absolutely everybody. Put in the budget, 2019. I'm going to be getting into a hairnet, my favorite attire aside from a bow tie. Very excited about Berkey Creamery, and like I said, just come on back, check it out.
So there you go, folks. As the sun sets on State College, Pennsylvania, this is a glimpse into the ice cream short course. All of the details will be down below here underneath the video feed, and any information you need, reach out to us here at scoopschool.com.